After that, the next step will be you need to click on cPanel button in your hosting package. Then scroll down, and on this cPanel I have multiple domains, so let me scroll down and install WordPress. So you will find out app installer, and after that scroll down, click WordPress button, and then here you can see these are different domains, so I need to select enable business market. So let me scroll down, and here you can see domain is not listed. So we need to add domain. Let me go back in the domain sections. Click on domains, and after that click here create a new domain. Then type your exact domain name, enablebusinessmarket.com. Then after that click here submit. So guys, here you can see domain is added. So make sure that you have connected your domain with the correct name servers. After that you can add your domain in the cPanel. Let me go back, and now I will try to install WordPress. So let me click on app installer and then scroll down, click here install button, and after that again here you can see all the domain list. So let me scroll down and find domain enablebusinessmarket.com, and by default I want to select HTTP. So after that I will activate SSL, and here I need to give logins. And here I can add email. So make sure that you have added correct email. For example, you forgot your password, then you can easily recover and reset your password. Then again I can also add here email, then click on install button. And it will take just few seconds. After that WordPress will be installed. So guys, here you can see WordPress is installed. Let me click on the domain enablebusinessmarket.com, and here you can see website is live.